For this month's tech tool, we're going to look at Canva. So you can go to canva.com and you'll need to create an account. We wanted to talk about building a business card, which is really a library card for your school library. So let's put business card as our search design. And you're going to see that they have a lot of pre-made templates. If you hover on these, you're going to see that it says like 1 of 2, because most of them have a front of a card and the back of a card. If you'll just kind of scroll through and look for the one that catches your eye and looks closest to what you would want to use for your school. Alright, so here, the nice thing about Canva is that everything on here is editable. So as soon as you click in it, you can start typing in the name of your school or whatever else that you're wanting to put there. And put a little information somewhere, let them know that this is your virtual library card. If you've got your own images that you want to use, you can upload those images. They have an area down here to upload your own. But they do have a lot of pre-made images too. So let's see, maybe you happen to be the tigers. Let's see if we can find a good background. Now you'll notice some of these say Pro, and that would mean that I would have to pay for it. So that's definitely not one that I would want to get. So if you keep looking, you'll see all the ones I'll mention if they're free, or if they have a little icon by them indicating that they have a cost, like premium. You'll see a lot of different options there. Since I'm not seeing something that would really work well as a background, let me change that to tiger skin. Now I can see these are ones that are much going to be something better for me to use as a background. But again, I'll have to look for ones that are not a cost unless I do want to pay for it. Let's see. I'm still not finding one that is free. So you need to have a plan B in those situations. Do you have another website that you use, like Pixabay or some other site where you know they have copyright-free images? So this is one of my favorites. So I'll come here for tiger skin. Let me look for one here. Let's get a real quick idea of what they've got. Okay, let's go with this one. So this will allow you to download them. And then if you come back to your Canva where we were working, we can go to Uploads. You can see my dogs and myself. Let's go ahead and find downloads there. Alright, so now let's pull this over. We want it to fit into our background image. If you'll kind of drag it in, there we go. You can see that what it's done there. So we need to see now what our page 2 is going to look like. Let's come back to our templates, and now I want to click on the number 2 side so I can get the information that I need. So this is our virtual library card. Some of that stuff I'm not going to want. I can rearrange this however I would like right now. So is there a certain site that you have your resources located? We'll go ahead and type that in. Is there a username that you want them to use? And a password that you want them to use? Put all that information there, and then you can start to play with it. There's just like it might be Microsoft or Google, you can play with the sizing. It's going to be way too large. Okay. You can change colors. Maybe you're trying to get your school colors in here. You have a lot of flexibility in what you want to do with this. Okay, I can see that that's just an image that they pulled in as well. I'm going to go ahead and leave that one for now. But once you're done, you can download the pages that you have, which in this case happens to be our business card. So here it is. We've got just the first side that we're seeing right now, but our other side would be there as well. Canva does give you the option to order. You could print, you could pay for them to do that for you. But you've got, I'm sure in your area, local Dick Office Supplies or different kind of print shops that you can use, and possibly your school district will have something as well. So I encourage you to give Canva a try. They've got a lot of really neat templates, and let's see if you can find something that you can use to help promote National Library Card Sign Up Month. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.